This is my new Miele in-the-wall coffee maker, and today Gary is going to demonstrate making cappuccino. So there's a lot of different other types of coffee you can make, and he will show you what it can do as well, other things. Okay, Gary, it's all yours.
Here's espresso, coffee, lungo coffee, cappuccino, right there, latte macchiato, cafe latte, milk frothed, hot milk, pot of coffee, or hot water. But we're going to go and we're going to make a cappuccino. Right now it's preheating the milk.
Are you making a double or a single?
Double.
Okay. If you were going to make a single, then I think you would place it over one of those. Oh, okay.
But you can put 2 cups side by side
Okay.
if you want. But I'm making a double for myself.
Okay. It's nice having it in a clear glass. This is an insulated, double-walled glass, so it'll stay warm, hot. Is that noise coming from the oven below it?
Yeah.
Okay, so we're making something in the steam oven, so you hear. That's the Miele steam oven. So that's the noise you hear. It's like magic. Looks like chocolate. How does the coffee end up in the middle like that?
I don't know, but it's really cool.
You would think it'd be at the bottom.
It's grinding for the second batch.
Oh, it's making the second cup?
Yeah, all the milk's done.
It's going to overflow?
No, it'll be good.
Let's get a close-up of it. That looks good. I'm a tea drinker though, but it's fun to watch. Is it done?
It's all done.
Okay. And what does that say?
It says how many uses are left. 12.
Okay.
Before I have to descale it.
Okay. It's your job. All right. Bon appetit.